Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2008 Yamaha R6 I want to show you. This bike's in real nice shape, runs great. I just got through riding it. Got an excellent tire on the rear, lots of tread left. All the tailpiece and plastic looks real good. I didn't see any kind of signs of abuse or misuse. Looks like it's got some little scratches right here on the plastic. It doesn't look like it's got any cracks in it. Looks like there's a couple little marks right there. We put you a brand new tire on the front. Got an upgraded muffler. I guess that's just the abbreviation GYTR. The sport bike guys could probably school me on that. One cool thing about it, it's got this fob here that turns on the lights. Push a button and it turns on those lights down in there. Makes them blink or whatever you want them to do. And then it's got them there. Then under the back over here, right up in under there. Then over here on this side. That's pretty cool. Bike's got about 23,000 something miles on it. Let's see, 23,861. Pops right off. We ran it through our shop, surface safety checked and inspected it. So it's in good shape, ready to ride. 2008 R6. It's amazing to me how fast these things will rev. That muffler really sounds good too. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.